Smile. Sticky in some of the finest places in Europe. Definitely one of the finest places in Romania, is that right?
Yes.
Again, a closed city on the border, across the river and the railroad track from Romania.
Колхоз.
Gulhouse?
Колхоz.
Gulhouse.
Lenin.
Lenin.
Lenin. Колхоz is the big maybe.
Soviet cows.
This village called
Vyritsa. Vyritsa. Water stop. 2. And ahead, oh, can't see the observatory anymore, but there is a little village. Bet you think it says Pomahapka, huh? Wrong. The hill. The valley. The truck. It's steep. The car, the rest of the team passed us a few minutes ago and we said 10 more kilometers and we take a break. Whew.
Want to go nearer?
I don't think so. I just thought I'd get a picture. Now a picture of Dimi and Sasha. Are you tired from coming up the hill?
Yeah, I know.
No? Why? I'm tired. Oh, I see, because you use the car and we use the bicycle.
Ты его засними на тот.
Я заснял уже. Панорама.
Aqui?
Push the button and it stops.
Слушай, Рек, это что такое там цифры были?
Запись. Ну ладно, пускай.
One Russian flower?
Ну, сейчас через 19.
For Lenin's birthday today, these people volunteer. Who? To paint the school fence. In the woods, the Russian woods. Small village. Moldova village. How do you say friendship? Working on the farms for April. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Mr. Lennon.
Want to know more about bicycle touring the world? Enjoy our book, Cuba, the Forbidden Island Revisited, sponsored by World Travels Publishing.